Hello friends, welcome to the Scents and Perfume Hub, and today we are going to discuss Club de Nuit Intense Men perfume or the perfume concentration. It comes in 105 ml EDT as well as 150 ml EDP concentration. And here you can see the Armaf hologram. It's made in France and 2019 batch and is manufactured by the Sterling. And it comes in this beautiful packing. And let's now discuss about the bottle. Here it is, Club de Nuit Intense. You can see it is a very heavy bottle with a heavy cap, very heavy cap. And let's discuss about the notes of this perfume. Top notes are bergamot, lemon, pineapple, blackcurrant, and heart notes are birch as well as jasmine and rose. Base notes are vanilla, ambergris as patchouli. So it is fruity fragrance. You can see the Club de Nuit Intense written over here on the bottle EDP formulations. It doesn't come in EDT concentration bottles, so that is a different thing, and it is recommended for the daytime use. It was introduced in year 2014 and it is considered to be the best cologne of the Creed Aventus, and it is considered from 90 to 95% cologne of Creed Aventus. Let's now check what it actually gives. Let's spray it and observe the notes. First of all, you can see the mist is good, spray is very good, and it is a thick concentration if you can see, and I can smell it from quite a distance. The opening is again, as it is very fresh opening with harsh lemon notes, which people say harsh. I don't find it harsh. And pineapple is also there, and woody notes are coming with birch, and I do get a little bit of petroleum which nobody has mentioned, and musk also, although these notes are not mentioned, but it is lemon, pineapple, musk. These things are adding to the freshness of bottle. This perfume projection is very good and it is a very strong fragrance. It stays on your body for a very long period of time. I can observe whenever I spray it in the night, I can smell it on my body in the morning. As well in my clothes, it stays for 2 to 3 days, especially in the sportswear. So that is the beauty of this product, and it is recommended for all year and in all seasons you can wear. There is no particular season, although summer would be better, but it can be used in winter as well, and we can put it in unisex category. Both men and women would like it. And this is one perfume. It might be coming in top 3 perfumes which you can wear throughout the year. Like Dunhill Icon is one, and this is the another one. I like this perfume. I wear it daily, so I highly recommend this perfume. Thank you. Till the time we meet with the next presentation, have a nice time, friends.